Welcome to the Metals Investment Forum. It's my great pleasure to have Goliath back, the company which Dr. Quinton Henning said would be the next snowline. And looking forward to get, to see the new snowline developing, Roger.
From his lips to God's ears.
Tell us what you have. You seem to have a very good, very high-grade results and multi-million ounce right there. Investor can see.
Yes. It's, we're very fortunate to have a pretty amazing system where, an 100% hit rate. Like, what? No, 100% hit rate.
100% hit rate. Now, not very, this company is not very rare in this business.
Exactly. So it's a very, again, a very special discovery that we have in our hands here. We finished up a 64,300 meter drill program last year, 2025, which in my mind, we had 9 rigs going and 5 helicopters. It was just like it was an airport thing, flying back and forth with all the equipment going, what have you. But probably like the largest drill program of its kind, I'm thinking anywhere in the world, based on the topography, right? Mm-hmm. Doing helicopters, this type of program. We ended up drilling 110 holes. Again, all of them hit 90 something or other percent, 92%. All had visible gold to the naked eye. Which is obviously nice to see. Yep. And you're sending the stuff up to the labs. And so right now, currently the MIF here, January 23rd, I guess, dear. We still have 110 holes. Assays are pending of the silver, copper, lead, zinc. So all the gold numbers are out. We announced that, I guess the last set here a couple of weeks ago. But as far as near-term catalyst, we're going to have 110 holes of gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc coming out sometime in, based on what the lab is telling us, but we should be able to get those out hopefully sometime in February. Which is
okay.
As far as catalysts go, we're fully funded, close to $60 million in the treasury. So we're, lining up for another very large drill program that's fully funded. And we're excited to get back on the mountain and start drilling here, early June.
Okay, good. So you said you not only have gold, you seem to have a polymetallic, gold, silver, lead, and zinc.
Yeah, we've got that like higher up in the system, like as you recall, like the Surebet, the one that the outcrops around the mountain that we saw, that mineralization. So further up in the system, we get a very higher concentration of silver, lead, and zinc. Yeah, so we have a lot of sphalerite galena higher up in the system. And then as we get drilling down, further down into closer to the bonanza, the contact between sediments and volcanics, we're seeing less of the base metals, but we're seeing higher copper numbers going down further into the system. So I expect to be conservative, potentially maybe a 5% lift on what we currently have, what we publish on the current holes. And on the note of Dolly, what's unique about our system, it's quite young. Mm-hmm. We've done quite a bit of age dating based on Quinton Henning's request, and also we're working quite closely with the Colorado School of Mines, sponsoring 2 students there to get some of these young guys along, give them a helping hand, and we're doing a fantastic job, by the way, basically dating the rocks. We're 50 to 55 million years old versus, let's say, Dolly Martin in the area, right across the other side of the red line, the contact point. They're kind of 100 to 180 million years old.
Oh, okay.
And I think the Brucejack is kind of that age, as well as Skeena and so on and so forth. So it's a very young rock package.
A very young rock. And then you have this fantastic gold discovery. Yeah. And then you just found more polymetallic, on the extension of that. Which direction?
Well, it remains open. The system remains open laterally. And at depth as well. So right now we have 5 kind of main, call it 5 main lodes within that, or zones, pardon me. And then within that we have a total of 49 lodes that are, within those various zones, of which was a significant increase from last year, because we thought we had like 12 stacked veins over 1.2 kilometers, but now we actually have 49 of these veins. 49 and 5 main zones that we're after. And all of them remain open. So the plan for this year, again, is we'll continue to expand on the known horizons. We'll keep on stepping out until we, run out of, hitting the various veins.
Okay, great. So that looks like a very, very exciting year to come.
Yes, indeed.
So what's your financial situation? You have fully funded
Yes.
this year's? All right, that's good.
Yeah, close to $60 million.
$6 million.
Close to, yeah, 60. One of the things I did with last year was I did a private placement with McEwen Mining.
Yes.
It was the QNX, MUX. You had that in your presentation this morning. And at the time, the share price was $11.50 Canadian. Today, I think it just printed 36.
Yes, yeah.
536. Actually, almost a triple.
Yeah, very smart.
So we're very well.
So you kept the shares, right? Correct. So now you can sell whenever you want.
Exactly. At our discretion.
Yeah.
But I mean, we're not in the business of holding other people's share price, but I just thought it was a good value, nice lift for the shareholders, non-dilutive financing, really. Almost a triple at this point, which is pretty.
It's a very, very good. That's very good. Yeah, I think we were talking about McEwen about the same time. I mean, I feel we undervalue each other. You're doing the same thing.
But I bought some from my personal account.
All right.
So I'm very happy.
They're very happy. Yeah. I not only bought some share, bought the call options.
Correct. You did the call option.
Call option, yeah, that's more than 10 baggers. Yeah, not bad.
I'll take a few of those.
But this is a great market. You have some great shareholders. You have Kreska. Now you have Rob McEwen.
Yes.
You have McEwen Inc.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Eric Sprott.
Larry
Childers.
Good.
The Warsaw Capital Advisors. They're a very large fund in Toronto. They get about $4 billion under management. So they're significant shareholders. As they told me why they bought our stock was they don't want to miss out on the next Great Bear.
Yeah. So, yeah. So you are. So, you're getting where, or almost there. Right?
Well, we've got a ways to go. I mean, the market cap is only, 440 million Canadian. When Great Bear was taken out, they had 4 million to potentially 7 million ounces upside. Gold was at $1,800. If you believe the research report from Stifel, you're saying 4.4 million ounces. If you believe the research report from Ron Wortel, he's saying up to 10. So, say back in the envelope, 4.4 to 10. Gold's now almost $5,000. So does that mean we're going to maybe be Kinross paid 1.8 billion? Gold's actually has doubled and changed. So does that mean that we're going to be worth 4 billion possibly? Anything is possible.
Right. Especially those major gold companies, they hunger for this type of world-class deposit. You have high grades, and then in Canada, safe jurisdiction. Don't need to worry about like Mali.
We don't want to take your mind away. Yeah. Plus, we have infrastructure. We have the town of Kitsault, housed up to 1,000 people when that mine was in operation. We got high tension power there. It sits on tidewater on either side of the project, so you can barge access, very cost-effective way to move material, heavy equipment, etc. And then right next door, adjacent to Kitsault, is the old Moly mine, which sits on private property. It's permitted. So you have a brownfield site, a town, high tension power, barge access, and we're very close to 7 kilometers through the valley to get to the one of the inlets. So we almost have like a turnkey scenario where CapEx I think would be very, very low on that. And to that point, I should mention the Stifel report, very good. Their target is $5 Canadian. He built us a mine actually. CapEx was maybe $500 million. ASIC was 1,200, producing 200,000 ounces a year, which is pretty nice. So that to have done all that math for us.
Yeah. Wow, that's great. So people are start paying attention. I think, as I said in the presentation, I feel you're too undervalued.
I would tend to agree.
And then you have a lot of work cut out for you.
It's all good.
Improve and expand the resource. And hopefully we got a multi-billion-dollar takeover or something. If you're not gonna, okay, great.
Fingers crossed, but yeah, it's every year we drill, as you know, the bigger it gets.
Better, from 14 veins now to 49 veins.
49 veins.
And growing
every year.
Yeah. Okay, great.
Shot. Yeah. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.